Ngayon naman ay pag-uusapan natin ang PhilHealth requirements for applying individual paying member or unemployed. Kapag ikaw ay unemployed or di kaya naman gusto mong mag-register sa PhilHealth o makapag-apply sa PhilHealth, bilang individual paying member, it means ikaw ay magbabayad monthly man yan para maka-avail ka ng mga pera from PhilHealth kapag kinakailangan mo. Okay, so these are the requirements that you need to prepare or dalhin kapag pupunta ka sa PhilHealth offices. So, but before that, paki-subscribe naman sa ating YouTube channel at paki-share na din para makatulong ka sa iba. Okay, so the first requirement is the PhilHealth member registration form. So it is the registration form. What you're going to do is it should be properly filled out all the important information from the form. You may download it from online for free. So ito yung PhilHealth form na pwede mo naman itong kunin or hingiin sa guard sa PhilHealth office na iyong pupuntahan or di kaya sa personnel na sa PhilHealth office or di kaya kung gusto mong prepared pagpunta pa lang ng office ng PhilHealth ay pwede kang mag-download online at free lang din yan. Next, photocopy of your NSO, birth certificate, or any valid IDs. So if none, you can bring photocopy of documents that could support your identity. So eto, kapag wala kang valid IDs na nandyan yung iyong address or basta valid IDs, pwede kang magdala ng iyong photocopy of NSO or photocopy of birth certificate. Next, number 3, requirements. We have photocopy of supporting documents for your beneficiaries. Kapag meron kang beneficiaries, like for example, meron kang mga anak, so dapat dalhin mo yung kanilang mga supporting documents or their birth certificates. So like for example, the birth certificate of your son or your daughter. So that is a third requirement na dapat mong dalhin kapag meron kang beneficiaries or mga anak. Next, number 4, bring 1-by-1 ID picture for your PhilHealth ID. So, minsan, inire-require na mayroong 1-by-1 ID picture, minsan naman hindi nire-require. Pero dapat na magdala ka ng 1-by-1 ID picture para ipipaste na lang yan kapag piniprint yung iyong ID and laminate kapag lalaminate yung iyong ID, PhilHealth ID. So, that is the 4th requirements. Next, number 5, prepare your PhilHealth contribution. So, of course, kasi minsan, sa first pa lang na pag-apply mo is hingin ka na or hingan ka na ng PhilHealth contribution. So, therefore, dapat meron kang dala or pwede din na naman sa next na month magdadala ka na PhilHealth contribution. But, make sure to pay your contribution continuously to ensure you can avail benefits anytime. So, dapat continuous yung pagbayad mo o kung monthly man yan, dapat continuous. 200 by month man yan, dapat continuous para ka-avail ka kapag kinakailangan mo ng pera from PhilHealth. Next, okay, so those are the requirements that you need to bring or to prepare para makapag-apply ka sa PhilHealth for unemployed or for the individual paying member. So for any queries, visit the nearest PhilHealth office or comment your questions in the comment sections para naman maisugot natin kung meron kayong mga katanungan. But don't forget to subscribe sa ating YouTube channel and of course, paki-comment na din kung may mga gusto kayong sabihin and request na video and of course, paki-share na din para makatulong ka sa iba. That's all for today everyone. Goodbye and God bless.